Hello, my name is Oliver, and I am your teacher and friend. And I want to welcome you to Hello, my little kitties.
We are the kitties that learn the words we have heard. Our minds are right, our eyes are bright. We are smart, we are ready to start our lesson. So let's get it, let's get it, let's get in our minds. We are smart, we are brave, we are beautiful in every way. So let's start today.
Greetings, my little kitties. I hope you are ready to learn some really great words. So far, you have been great students. So let's get ready to learn our new word list for today. Let's go! Use. U-S-E. Very. V-E-R-Y. With. W-I-T-H. Would. W-O-U-L-D. Went. W-E-N-T. Who. W-H-O. Where. W-H-E-R-E. Right. W-R-I-T-E. What? W-H-A-T. Want. W-A-N-T. Was. W-A-S. With. W-I-T-H. Your. Y-O-U-R. Wow! What a great educational day! You really are learning such great words. You are beginning to become smarter than some of your friends. Learning these words are making you a little genius. Go out and share what you have learned this far. Have a great day, my little kitties. That's our show for today. Now go out and do something nice for someone else. Have a nice day, my little kitties.